Hi there, today we are going to unbox and review my new drill, Ingco 680W. I know it's just like the kawaida drill, but compared to my last drill, this is definitely an upgrade. The power cable is 1 meter long, and I also love the fact that it is a 3-pin plug. Inside the box, we have the user manual, a steady handle, a drill bit key, and of course, a depth rod. To install the handle, it's really easy, no need for any extra tool, and the handle helps you with better control and also comfort. You need it. I rarely use the depth rod, so we are not going to talk about that. About the manual, you can decide to go through it, but we are not doing that now. So back to the baby. This baby girl brings a lot of power to the table. The 680W motor make it perfect for all your drilling needs. I have tested it, and trust me, the drilling process is as smooth as it can get. Another thing I love about the drill is the variable speed control. This little dial allows you to adjust the speed according to your requirement. If you are working with a delicate material, you simply dial it down, and if you need some serious power, unapandisha. I also forgot to mention this is an impact drill, meaning it has both the hammer and the screw part. To put in the bit, it's very simple. You can decide to use the rotation mode or use the key. I will say as a beginner, or if you're just starting out with the drill, please consider using the key. Honestly, for 4,800, I am impressed. The power, the variable speed control, and the comfort that it provides with the handle make this a fantastic choice for me, and also anyone who is looking to start their drilling journey. That's it for me today. Remember to leave a comment down below about your thoughts on this drill, if you have used it, or any other brand I should consider. Until next time, stay curious, keep drilling. Bye.